My name is Kimberly Davis, and this is a video requirement for SPED 5372. My turn. My turn. Thank you, Bailey. My turn. What do you want? What is it?
Car.
A car? What do you want?
Car.
A car. There you go, Bailey. What do you do with the car?
Drive.
You drive? Where can you drive the car?
In the street.
In the street. Good job. Bailey, can you touch the blue car? That's the blue car. Good job, Bailey. Nice. Bailey, can you tell me where you park your car?
Driveway.
In the driveway? Where else can you park your car?
Parking spot.
In a parking spot? Good job, right. Where else? Can you park your car in the garage?
Yeah.
Yes. Bailey, where can you park your car?
In the garage.
In the garage. Good job, Bailey. Nice. Bailey, what do you want?
Car.
A car? What color is it?
Blue.
Blue. Bailey, can you hand me the blue car? Good job. Bailey, where's the red car? Where can you park this?
In the garage.
In the garage. Good job, Bailey. Very nice. Bailey, can you point to the blue cup? Good job. Bailey, can you do this? Can you touch your knees? Good job. Can you go like this? And touch your eyes. Good job. Bailey, what does this say?
Orange.
Orange. What letter is that?
O.
Oh, good job. Can you write the letter O on the line? Good job, Bailey. Bailey, what does that say?
Green.
Green. Can you copy green? Good job. Oh, Bailey, we're almost done. Can you do one more thing? Okay. Stay for one more thing and then you'll be all done, okay? Okay, Bailey. Can you point to the picture of the car? Good job. Can you point to the picture of the tree? Can you point to the picture where you would park your car? Good job. What is it?
Garage.
A garage. Good job, Bailey. All right, all done.